Alright everybody, this is Clowns here again. I'm doing my second stash video for 2013. Went out to Rockport, Missouri and picked up a couple $100 worth more fireworks here. Gonna start off here. Big Gangsta from Mighty Max. It's a little 9-shot. It was $3. Picked up 3 of them. The effect is a comet tail red bouquet with crackling. Got those to go in conjunction with these Magician 9 shots. It's just a Chinese cake. There's no description of what it does. It was also $3. Picked up 3 of these Jungle Fever. Just something to kind of throw in the finale to kind of help add a little more color. Just mind cake, pretty much. 96 shots. Mental Breakdown. Pyro Predator is the company. It's 25 shots. You'll go nuts watching this. Multicolored stars, whistling silver, whirlwinds, and reporting floral color burst. Rockin' Raptor, also by Pyro Predator. I think it's just a rewrap of some other company's product here. Performance is Rockin' History, brocade crowned or red and green, red wave with green glitter, green wave with white glitter, yellow wave with report, crackling titanium chrysanthemum for the final 3 shots. It's Rockin' Raptor. 200-gram cake, Lion King. There is no brand name on it. It's a 16-shot. All the same effects, just with different colors. Got a red crackling coconut tree with white, a green, blue, purple, and then titanium gold coconut trees. Got 2 of those. And then also picked up Alien Encounter. It's a single shot girandola. It's $12. Also by Pyro Predator. Also picked up this from Ghost Shadow. Never heard of this company before. It's a 32 shot. It's called King of Pain. Let's see here. The effects are, you'll feel the pain of 32 dynamite shots of golden willows, blue and yellow stars, shivering coconut trees, screaming hooligans with a colorful eardrum bursting finale. And for buying all of those items, I ended up getting a Brothers hydrogen bomb for free. Most of this other stuff is stuff you've already seen from the last stash video. And this is from the other store I went to in Rockport. Absolute Evil. 16 shot. The performance is 16 shots of silver, spinning tail rising to red, then white, then blue. How patriotic. That is made by Cutting Edge. Let's see. Picked up something called Dragon Force. It is red, blues, and purples. This dragon spews them all. It's 19 shots. This is what I got for free for buying the items on this table. It's Avalanche. It's basically a mini version of the jumping skier along with crackling. 16 shots. Like I said, free item for buying what's on this table. I bought 2 of these. Broken Heart Brothers cake. Or excuse me, Window brand cake here. 8 shots. Great Grizzly brand. Never heard of this company before, but the guy was recommending it. Black Whip. Let's see here. Performance is blue tail to multicolor bouquet with cackling, not crackling, cackling silver dragon tail to blue break quick 10-shot finale. And this was also recommended, big brand, Death Wish. It's 25 shot. Performance is 25 shots with all with crackling silver spinners up, then with brocade to green, brocade to red, red dahlia with crackles alternately. And then I got like 4 more little 9-shot cakes. This one's called Luna Chick. Performance is red tail to white glitter with red star, blue tail to white glitter with blue star. And this one by RGS brand. This is Ace of Hearts. There's also Ace of Diamonds, Ace of Clubs, and Ace of Spades. I only got the Ace of Hearts and the Ace of Clubs. They all do something different, but just another little 9-shot cake. So all in all, that's what I got for the rest of my stash for right now. Hopefully we can add a little bit more before the 4th comes here, but we'll see. Also managed to get my first Roman candle rack all wired up already. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy.